In this video, I will show you how to change theme on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up Google Chrome, and what you want to do is come up to the top and click to open up a new tab. Once you've done that, if you come down to the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a little button down here which says Customize Chrome. So what you want to do is give that a click, and what it's going to do is bring up this menu on the right hand side. Now in here you're going to see an option to change theme, so what you can do is give this button a click and you can choose from a number of different themes on this page. So for example, if I click onto this one, Rising Artists, and we're just going to go ahead and choose one of these themes. Let's go for this one here, and as you can see, that's going to go ahead and change the theme on Chrome, and we can just go through and click onto these until we find one we like. And once you're happy with the one you like, so say we wanted this one, all you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the cross to close this down, and as you can see, we've now got this different theme on Google Chrome. So that is how to change theme on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.